Hello class, welcome to my channel Toán học học toán. I wish you a beautiful new day with a lot of energy and full happiness. I'm very happy when you subscribe my channel. And also don't forget to click the like button and the share button to share your lesson with other friends. Thank you very much. Today's lessons continue the topic of learning mathematics in English for overseas students, especially for Vietnamese students who want to improve their mathematics skill in English. We start the 4 tests of 10 exercises that we have to solve. This is the test. You have to finish all exercise before watching the guide solution. Now you start doing. This is the exercise 1. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. After finishing your doing exercise, you can watch the guide solution and compare your results with the results on this video, and you can find out the missing knowledge that you can improve. Now we go to watch the guide solution. The first exercise, given A including the elements 2, 4, 6, order respectively, and given set B including elements 5, 10, 15, order to 100 respectively. How many elements are there in the set A, set B? Note that the elements in the set A are the natural number separated by 2 units. So the formula for calculating the number of elements in the set A is the maximum natural number minus the smallest natural number dividing the distance between 2 adjacent numbers. So we have the following result. The maximum number is 100 minus the smallest number is 2 and dividing the distance number between them is 2. And H1 gives us the results of the set A with 15 elements, similar to the set B, with 5 units apart. The formula for calculating the number of elements in the set B is the maximum numbers is 100 minus the smallest numbers of 5 and then divide distance between two consecutive numbers. Its order is 5. And then Act 1 show the answers we get is 20 elements. We continue to solve exercise 2. What is the value of following expressions? 12 minus 2 multiplied 2 x 5. Some students do it very quickly. They take 12 minus 2 and they have a 10. Then multiply with 2, they have a 20, and plus 5 and give the answer is 25. That is wrong. You must pay attention to the order of calculation. For calculations including addition, subtractions, multiplications, and division, we prioritize multiplications and divisions do first. Additions and subtractions after that. And in case for additions, subtractions, or multiplications and divisions, we do from left to right without any calculations being preferred. So we have to do 2 multiply with 2 first, and then 12 minus 4 we get 8, and plus 5 then results is 13. So the correct answer of this problem is answer C. We finish exercise number 2 and move on to exercise number 3. Calculator 34 multiplied with 75 plus 75 multiplied with 66 minus 65 multiplied with 100. This is a quick calculation. If you count in the order, you will calculate the 3 multiplication first and then do the order of operations from left to right, including additions and subtraction. And the rationals, then you will use the distribution property of multiplications for additions and do the following. You have the sum of two products. They have two factors are the same as 75. So you multiply 75 times the sum of the other two factors. The result is 75 multiplied with 100 minus 65 multiplied with 100. You continue to have the difference of the two products. They have the same factor 100. So you multiply 100 with the difference of the other two factors. Here we see the problem is easy and compact, and the result of the calculation range is 100 multiplied with 10, and you have the result 1000. We finish solving exercise 3. Now we move on to exercise 4. The diameter of a circle is 8 cm. Calculate the perimeter of the circle. Now look at the following circle. This is the diameter and this is the radius. Note that the diameter is twice the radius. We have the formula of perimeter of a circle is the first is the diameter multiplied with b, or 2 multiplied with b and multiplied with the radius. Because the exercise will give us the diameter, so we chose the first formula. We have the Diameter multiply with B. A multiply with B. And then we have the result AB centimeter. We finish solving the exercise 4. Now we move on to the exercise 5. Find digits in the place of size star, such that 5517 star is divisible by 3 and 5. We repeat that the divisibility size for 5 is the number with the ending digits 0 or 5 divided by 5. So the symbol stars can be either 0 or 5. On the other hand, 5517 is also divisible by 3, so the sum of the digits must be divisible by 3. 5 plus 5 plus 1 plus 7 plus star must be divisible by 3. We get 18 plus star divided by 3. So star is 0, 3, 6, 9. Combining both cases, then 5517 star divided by 3 and 5 is 0. We continue to exercise number 6. Eric is in the building. He is 25 meters above the ground. He climbed down 5 flights of stairs, each of which is 3.2 meters high. How high is Eric now above the ground? To resolve the exercise, we calculate the height of 5 floors. Then take 25 as the original height of Eric above the ground minus the height of 5 floors to get the result of the exercise. Now the height above the ground is 25 minus 5 times 3.2 equals 25 minus 16 equals 9 meters. We go to exercise 7. 45% of m is 72. Find the values of m. This is the exercise of finding a number. That's now the fractional value of a over b of that number is m. To find that number, divide m by the fractions a over b. We start. M equals 72 divided by 45%. First of all, we shorten 45% by 9 to 20. Then convert divisions to inverse multiplication. Then we shorten 72 and 9. We get 8 and multiply with 20. We get 160. So the answer is m equals 160. We continue with exercise number 8. The area of the rectangles below is 36 square units r square centimeter. The width is 4 square centimeter. The length is power 4. Find the values of each. We have the formula for the area of the rectangle. That is its length multiplied with its width. So to calculate the length, we take the redivide by the width. Note, however, that the exercise does not ask the length, but finding it. Then we have 36 divided 4 and then power 2. Then we have 9 to the power 2. But this is 6 to power 4 and then we change this one is 3 power 4. Finally, we have x to the power 4 equals 3 power 4. Then x is equal 4. We finish exercise number 8 and move on to exercise number 9. Find the values of p in the following calculation. ABCD multiply with 9 and the result is 1, 3, 8, and 4. We have a 1, 3, 8, and 4 divided by 9. So the sum of their digits is also divisible by 9. In further sum, 16 plus m divided by 9. Look at the multiplication table of 9. If the sum is 18, then m equals 2. If the sum is 27, and then m is 11. This is not possible because m is 1 digit. M can only equal 2. Now we want to find the unknown factor. We take the product dividing by the known factor. So 13,824 divided 9 equals 1,536. So B is 5. We continue with exercise number 10. The last exercise. I am a multi of 80. I am between 300 and 500. I am 50 more than a multiply of 70. Who I am? We have the multi of 70 are 0, 70, 140, 210, 280, 350, 420, 490, 560, and more. But between 300 and 500, the number 50 more than the multi of 70 are. This is the between 300 and 500, and then you plus 50, you have a 400 and 470 because this one larger than 500. In the number 400 and 470, the number is a multiply with 80 is 400. So I am 400. We have just finished the exercise in examination 4. I hope you will learn some more new knowledge and consolidate the forgotten knowledge. Remember to join the channel regularly to keep up the program. I wish you all progressive learning and always achieve high results in the upcoming examination. See you in the next lessons. Best regards. Bye.